Noong Senate hearing, pinipilit na naman ni Marcoleta na hindi pwedeng ipasauli sa mga diskaya ang mga ninakaw nilang pera. Pero sinagot siya ni Prosec General Richard Anthony Fadulion. Napakaganda ng explanation niya. Panuuri natin.
Senator Marcoleta is correct when he pointed out that restitution is not a requirement under the WPSB law.
Okay.
It is, as I said, it is not explicitly stated there. However, when the process of when the witness who applies to be admitted into the program is evaluated, and for example they qualify, their qualification is now subject of a memorandum of agreement between the department represented by the secretary and the applicant. Now, in the memorandum of agreement, there are terms and conditions that may be agreed upon or imposed by the parties. And restitution is part of them. If I may be allowed to explain further. Kung halimbawa po, meron po tayong witness na nag-a-apply sa programa. At sinasabi na nila, I am remorseful, ako po ay nagkamali, ako po ay nakakatanggap ng pera na galing sa nakaw o hindi sa matamang paraan. At ito po ay sosoli ko. Sasabihin po ng department, hindi naman kasi part ang restitution dito, so hindi mo kailangan magsoli. Kaya po yan, inilalagay sa memorandum of agreement kung meron man, para lamang po masiguro din ng department na at least kung meron pong ill-gotten wealth, or if a person is unjustly enriched, monies will be returned back to the coffers of government. Remember, sir, if one is covered under the program, one of the results would be if there is a case where they will be testifying as a witness, they will not be included in the information anymore. And if they're not included in the information, it means they have no criminal liability, and forfeiture will not lie as against them. A process which will happen much later.
Malinaw, di ba? Sabi ni Prosec General, oo, hindi requirement ang restitution. Wala sa batas na pwedeng isoli ang ninakaw. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito na hindi na pwedeng gawin yan. Kasi nga daw, pag ma-admit as state witness ang mga diskaya, gagawa sila ng Memorandum of Agreement. Dito sa Memorandum of Agreement, sasabihin ng mga diskaya magkano ninakaw nila at mga ngako sila na isoli nila. Nasa batas yan. Section 5 ng Republic Act No. 6981. Sabi doon, kailangan mag-cooperate ang mga witness to all reasonable requests of the government. Nung hearing nga, tinanong ni Senator Tulfo si Prosec General Fadulion, is there anything unreasonable sa restitution? Sabi ni Prosec General, wala. There is nothing unreasonable. In fact, it is very reasonable to require restitution. Ang problema, kahit na-explain na ni Prosec General ang lahat na yan, si Marcoleta pinipilit pa din na hindi pwede ipasauli ang pera. Nakakatawa siya.
Ikaw na nga nagsabi, Prosec, it is not in the law. Okay. Gagawa ka ng paraan para i-circumvent mo yon, papasukan mo doon sa memorandum. Reasonably ba yung maglalagay ka ng isang bagay that was not even provided as a requirement? Alam mo, as a lawyer, sinasabi natin palagi, this spring cannot rise higher than its source. Ano yung source? The law itself, di ba? Bakit ka ngayong gagawa to circumvent it para lang ipakita mo? Alam mo, you'll be abusing. That is grave abuse of discretion. Hindi mo nga alam o magkano isosoli nila, for example. Alam mo ba kung paano isosoli? Doon lang sa solian, doon lang magkakaroon ng corruption dito.
Ang labo, no? Hindi daw reasonable ang pagsoli ng pera. Nakakatawa. Saka paano daw malalaman kung magkano ang sisoli? Natural, sasabihin ng mga diskaya yan. Aaminin nga nila lahat bago sila ma-admit as state witness, di ba? Siyempre, aaminin nila kung magkano. Yun ang isosoli nilang amount. Ang ganda-ganda na explanation ni Prosec General. Ayaw pa din maniwala. Either nagpapanggap na di niya naiintindihan or hindi niya talaga naiintindihan. Ano tingin nyo?